Today, we will watch the packaging solution for packaging raisins with a bagging machine. First, we set the packaging speed on the screen to 45 bags per minute. The machine automatically takes the bags by the principle of vacuum suction cups picking up bags from below and sends them to the first station. Then, the bag opening is expanded by the suction cup. Put the raisins into the barrier elevator and use the elevator to send them into the multi-head combination scale. Based on the principle of free arrangement and combination, when multiple weighing hoppers reach the target weight, they open simultaneously and the raisins slide into the collection hopper accurately bagged. By blowing air at the bag opening to clean it and then sealing it, the packaged raisins slide onto the conveyor belt, and the packaging is completed. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.